Okay. In today's class, okay, first thing, we'll quickly recap the yesterday's class, whatever the things we have done. Yesterday, we have seen about the partial GR. Okay, after the put away, we have seen for the partial GR. Okay, one quick question. Okay, how we will going to determine the WPT, determination of WPT? Veros process type, determination.
So there are three points which is considered.
There are 4 variables. Okay, document type, item type, delivery priority, and PDCI, that is process determination control indicator. Okay, these are the 4 different things which we will going to define the warehouse process type. Okay, very important. Okay, please do write it somewhere else. Okay, I have already given that. Okay, warehouse process type. Yeah, here I have given. So please do note this. Okay, very important thing, because whenever you will be defining some different document type, that time if you want to maintain some different document, what is that warehouse process type for that, then we can able to determine through this particular part. Okay, so and yesterday we have discussed about the what is that partial GR, and I have clearly said that even we have seen the mapping up of the document types from the ERP to EWM. Okay, and we have checked the different profiles as well. So in today's class, what we will be doing is the same thing. Okay, I will going to discuss in the decentralized system. Okay, whoever is a non-SAP guys, please, okay, means whoever is not in the SAP, please don't get confused over here, because today we are seeing the same thing in the decentralized. Okay, yesterday we have seen the everything in the embedded system, and in embedded system I clearly say that in embedded system, I001 and I002 will work in the same fashion. These are the process codes. Okay. And in this here, once GR is completed, okay, once GR is completed, we cannot change anything in the inbound delivery. This also I have given. Okay. This is IBD, right? Okay. So in the inbound delivery, we cannot change anything. Okay. So now the same thing we're going to process in the decentralized system, and we're going to check how this process codes will going to work. Okay. What we are checking is process codes. Okay. Here also, okay, you can define your own process codes. We can define your own process codes. We'll check that also, where we will going to define and all. Okay, I will directly go to the ECC first. Okay, in the decentralized, what we have to do first, we have to create the PO here, and we need to oh, somebody is working already. Can let me. Okay, just a minute. Let's we'll just continue this. Okay. Someone is working, he will going to ask. Okay. So I will going to create one what is that PO here. Then we need to create the inbound delivery. Then only it will going to get distributed to the EWM side, right? So I will just open the EWM also, because here SAP MM and EWM are in the different boxes. Okay, so I will quickly take one purchase order number. Okay, I don't know the purchase order numbers here. I will take the purchase order number. Where I should take it is in the, I have to go to the IDN. Even I have to show you here some differences are there. Apart from your embedded system, here we will going to get some differences. Okay, I am going to show you that what is the difference and all. Okay. or else we consider the same passage order and we're going to proceed with that. Anything is possible. Okay, just for the purchase order, I came here. Okay, I have collected my purchase order. Next, we will go and do the inbound delivery in the decentralized system. Okay, in the ERP, we have to do the PO here first. Then we have to do the inbound delivery. Then only that inbound delivery will going to get distributed to the EWM. Okay. What I will do, I will first show you the PO. Okay, I will just go to the ME23N. Okay. And other document. Okay, click and document, enter. Okay, so this is the purchase order what he has created. Okay, so he has created something like this. Okay, 100 quantities he had created for this. Okay, but we will going to take what is that only one line item and we're going to proceed with that. Okay, he has ordered around 400 materials. If you check in the header and the status, you can able to see how many materials he had ordered and only 4 quantities it is delivered. Okay, so we will going to check this in the MMBE also. Okay, in MMBE what it is showing, MMBE. Okay, product is prod 1, plant is BO80 here. Okay, so please don't confuse about the plant and all because I am using some others company code here. Okay. We are just seeing the process, how the process will be. Okay. Okay, I will just execute. Just observe this MMB screen. Okay, it is required for us. See, in ROD storage location, you have 4 stocks. Okay, in AFS storage location, only 1 stock is available. Okay, and total on order stock is 505. Okay, please do remember this thing, or else I'll just take the screenshot and put it somewhere else. Okay. Okay, this is the initial entry. Okay, what we can see it. Okay, so what I will do, I will just open up one document and we're going to store it here. Okay, this is the MMB screen. Now, what I will do, I will just create a inbound delivery. Okay, I will just create an inbound delivery on the PO. Okay, whatever the PO he has created on this PO, I am going to create one inbound delivery now. Okay, what I will do, I will just take this PO number, copy it, go to the /n PL31N. Okay, just click enter. So this is the PO number, click enter. So this is showing 4 line items. I don't want all these 4 line items. Okay, I'll just consider one. Okay, I'll delete this. I'll just consider one line item. Okay, or else it will be confusing. Means I'm going to create one more PO. Let me wait. Okay, we're going to create one more PO. See, this 4 line items, if it is there, that is okay for you people, right? Because he has created like that. I'm just taking one line item and we're going to create the inbound delivery for this. Okay, not an issue, right? You can understand this particular part, correct? No?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that is fine. So what we are checking is, I'm taking only one line item here, okay, and I'm going to distribute this, okay. I'm going to create the what is that inbound delivery for, let us consider some 10 materials, okay. I'm going to create the inbound delivery for 10 materials, okay. Just observe this here, okay. I'll just click enter and save this, okay. Once I'll say this, again, same thing will be appearing here. Okay, same thing will be appearing. Shipping notification, this is created and was distributed to WMS. Okay. In the embedded side, what I have discussed with you is, in embedded system, what I have discussed with you is, we will not going to use the inbound delivery notification in the EWM system. Inbound delivery system notification was not there in the EWM system. But in decentralized, in the embedded, it is not there. But in the decentralized, we have to get this inbound delivery notification also. Okay, this IDN you will not going to find it in the embedded system, but here you will going to find this in the decentralized system. Okay, where it will be and how it will going to work, we will going to check. Because here also I have shown that, here also at the front also I have shown that inbound delivery notification is not there in the embedded system. Okay, inbound delivery is avoided in the embedded system. Okay, only in the decentralized system we will going to, whatever the delivery is going to process now, it will go to the inbound delivery, then inbound delivery notification, then inbound delivery is going to take place. Okay, we're going to see it now. Okay, how the process will be in the decentralized system. See, for inbound delivery notification, you have to go to the, okay, here also it is available, but go to SCM EWM, Extended Warehouse Management, here delivery processing and inbound delivery. Within that, first one, maintain inbound delivery notification. Okay, maintain inbound delivery notification. My inbound delivery is this one. Okay, I'll just copy this. My inbound delivery is this one. I have copied it, and now you go to the IDN. Okay, IDN. That is maintain inbound delivery notification. Here we will going to get this one as an extra line item. Okay, just execute this. See, in the inbound delivery notification, it is just showing what is this product. Again, in the inbound delivery notification, we will going to get the list view and the form view. Okay, but in the list view, what is the document type and what is the document category you have seen at the inbound delivery. Actually, in the inbound delivery, we have seen that. Okay, in the inbound delivery, we have seen that document category is PDI, document type is INB. Okay, this is at the inbound delivery. Okay, in the embedded system. But in decentralized system, we are getting one more screen, that is at the inbound delivery notification. Here, document type and item types will be different. Okay, I'll just show you people. Okay, if I'm opening the form view, here IDR and INB is coming instead of PDI. Okay, document category, it is IDR, and we are getting the document type as INB. Okay, so once I will go to the inbound delivery for this, then definitely you're going to get the PDI and INB. But it is an inbound delivery notification. For inbound delivery notification, the document category is IDR and the document type is INB. If you are checking whether these document types are linked with our inbound delivery EL and ELN, definitely they'll be linked. Okay, if you go and check in the document types mapping, then you can able to see these things. Okay, whatever the document types mapping I have shown, please do check it. Okay, but whenever there is a G transaction and all, that time it will be helpful for us. Okay, so mapping up of the document types and all, but just go through that. Okay, just go through that. Okay, and I will just show you how document types can be changed and all later on. Okay, so here we will be getting the document category as IDR and document type is INB here. Okay, and if you go at the downside, okay, here if I'm opening the form view in the item level, here only it is giving the information about the product. Okay, and at the downside it is showing the stock type as F1. Okay, this is important, and these are the two things, item category and item type, that is DLB and DLB. This is intact. Okay, in the inbound delivery also you're going to see the same thing, and in the inbound delivery notification also you are going to see the same thing. Okay, first here we are generating the notification, then this notification will be what we are doing by using this notification. Okay, this inbound delivery notification, we are creating the inbound delivery. Okay, this inbound delivery cannot be changed. Okay, this inbound delivery notification, sorry, this inbound delivery notification, we cannot change anything. Okay, we cannot change anything over here. Okay, so what I will do, I'll just, okay, now if I'm clicking on the inbound delivery, this is nothing but the PRDI screen. Okay, here, okay, I'll just go back. Here, PRDI screen is there now. If I'm clicking the inbound delivery over there, that is the PRDI screen. Okay, it is going to jump to the PRDI. I'll just go and use our inbound delivery. Okay, this is the notification. Once I'm going to click over here, just check this. Okay, once I'm going to, means after the inbound delivery notification, I can able to process the inbound delivery. Okay, I can able to process the inbound delivery. That is the PRDI screen. Okay, here I'll go. I'll click on the inbound delivery for us. Okay, just click on the inbound delivery. Okay, here I got the some different document for the inbound delivery. Okay, here means in the embedded system, whatever the inbound delivery inbound delivery we have created at the ERP side, and when it got distributed to the EWM, same number we will going to get it here. But here also is going to get the same number, but only at the inbound delivery notification. But while creating the inbound delivery, we're going to get another number range. Okay, so here we need to activate, means all the process codes and all are there. No, here only we will going to do it. And I have said, okay, here I will going to see the list view as well as the form view. If you are opening the form view, you will going to see the same document types and the document category here. This PDI and INB it is available. Okay, and if you go to the item level, we will going to see the DLB and IDLB. You're going to see the DLB and IDLB, okay, at the item level. And here only we're going to get all the process codes and all we will going to get it here. Okay, he has defined his own process type here, various process type, that is 1011. So that is why it is determining. Okay, so here we're going to do this process codes things, and how it will going to vary, we're going to check it. Okay, whatever the things you are doing, no, whatever the process codes and all you are doing, no, everything is possible before creating the goods receipt. Okay, before creating the goods receipt. Once you create the goods receipt, you cannot change the quantity and nothing you can change. Okay, so that is what I can able to say over here. And here I will just go with the process codes. Okay, now let us consider he has sent to the 10 quantities, but within that you found that some quantities are damaged. Okay, some 3 quantities are damaged, and you want to take only the 7 quantities in your warehouse. Okay, that time how you will going to do it, or else, okay, so that is one condition. Okay, so I'll just write the conditions here. Okay, okay, first condition is vendor send 10 quantities. Okay, so first condition we're going to make it. Okay, vendor sent 10 quantities. He sent these 10 quantities in 2 trucks. Let us consider in one truck he has sent 5 quantities. In truck 1, he had sent 5 quantities. Okay, in truck 2, he had sent another 5 quantities. Okay, because he cannot able to fit all the 10 quantities in one particular truck. Okay, in that case, okay, truck 1 it is coming, no, it is just bringing us 5 quantity, and let us consider some truck 2 got struck or it is got punctured somewhere else, and it is coming maybe by evening or else maybe in the next day. Okay, like that it is coming. So here this is also bringing some 5 quantities, but we have see the inbound delivery notification for 10 quantities. First I'm going to check this condition. Okay, the condition is that he is sending 10 quantities to us. Okay, he has raised the inbound delivery notification for 10 quantity, but truck 1 is getting 5 quantities and truck 2 is getting another 5 quantities. As I said, in truck 1 is coming, means reaching the warehouse early. Okay, truck 2 due to some issues, it is reaching the warehouse little late. Okay, maybe in the evening or next day. And truck 1 is saying, no, please do the inbound delivery for me. I have to move. Okay, then later on truck will come in and it is going to do the inbound delivery. This is the condition. Okay, in this condition, what is going to happen? We're going to check it now. Okay, so I'll go to the process codes here. Okay, in this condition, what you need to do with quantity adjustment, we have to go here. You should select. Okay, these are the process codes. Some different process code they have defined on the I003. Don't consider this. Okay, we'll just consider I001, 2, and 4. Okay. For this condition, whatever the condition I have given now, for this condition, we have to go with the delivery difference, adjust document type plus quantity. Okay, adjust document plus quantity we have to go. I'll just double click on this and give -5 here, because in one truck, as I said, only 5 quantities I am receiving. Okay, I'll just say okay here. Okay, the quantity became 5. I'll save this. I will save this. Now you may ask where the other 5 quantities is there. Okay, you may ask what about the other 5 quantities? In decentralized system, for the other 5 quantities, we're going to get one more document number. Okay, in decentralized system, for the other 5 quantities, we're going to get one more document number. How we're going to check it? Just go back to the inbound delivery notification and just execute your inbound delivery notification here. Okay, and come back to the inbound delivery. That's it. Okay, now you can able to see 2 different documents. Earlier 90 was the document which we are taking the 5 quantities. Okay, and next we are means we are created one more document, that is 5 quantity, because here document as well as quantity they are adjusting here. Okay, so that is what the process code is saying. Okay, see, this is delivery differences. Okay, adjust document and quantity. We are adjusting the document as well as the quantity. Okay, so that is why we are getting 5 quantities. Initially one truck is bringing and we're going to process this entire activity. Okay, we can process this entire activity. I can say the goods is it for this, then I'm going to process this entire activity. But the next truck is coming next day. No, this automatically one more document is created over here. Okay, one more document is created over here for the other truck. So once it is coming, I'll just process the what is that inbound delivery for goods receipt for this particular 5 quantities. Then I'm going to take the materials. Is this clear? Condition 1 is clear or what?
Yes, Sri.
Any doubts? Yes, yes, please ask me.
Yeah. So the 5 quantity which we are rejecting, that is being converted into a new document, you are saying, right?
No, we are not rejecting. We are not rejecting here. So please understand the condition 1. Okay, the 2 trucks are coming. We are accepting these 2 quantities. Okay, rejecting I'm going to come to that. Okay, so 10 trucks, 10 means total 5 quantities are coming in the 2 different trucks. Okay, one truck is coming at the what is that one day, and another truck is coming in the another day. For that, we are doing the different inbound deliveries here. Means once I'm going to say that using the process code I002, here it is adjusting the document as well as the quantity. Okay, so that what is happening, one more delivery it is generating automatically. Okay, we are not rejecting anything. We are just using the process codes to split this delivery. Okay. Yeah. Any doubts? Anyone? Because here I can able to differentiate between these two process codes. It is not possible in the embedded. Okay, because in embedded automatically that whatever the document is there, it will going to get adjusted with the VL33 and only. Okay, now you just check what I will do. For one particular document, I am going to create the goods receipt. For one particular document only, I am going to create the goods receipt. How it will going to behave in the PL33N, we are going to check, because we have, okay, see, in the PL33N, okay, I'll just go to the inbound delivery display mode. Okay, here we have ordered for actually 10 quantities, but I have used the process codes, and here for this inbound delivery document I am getting, means see, inbound delivery document, this one is there, means I am getting only 5 quantities, 5. Okay, I will just show you that. So this, if for this particular document, if you just go and check the reference documents here at the downside, we have the inbound delivery. This is the inbound delivery which is created. Okay. But for the other document, okay, for this document, if you are checking, you can see that. 1 minute. Okay, here some other reference document will going to generate for this. Okay, can you see now? For this, we have this is the inbound delivery, okay, which we have created at the ERPN, but some other document is generated for this particular thing. Okay, if you are checking, this is one inbound delivery. Okay, I'll just copy this number and go to the BL33 go back and paste this number here. Okay, and then click enter. This is also created for 5 quantities. Getting the idea? So this is created some automatic documents over here. Got the idea? Any doubts? For this one document, this is both documents are same only. Okay, both documents are same only. But if you check this one, the documents are different. Okay, this one is the earlier document, but for this 5 quantities, I have created this as an inbound delivery now. This is triggered to the ERP side, and we can able to check the quantity in ERP side through this. Any doubts here? Clear? Okay, yeah, fine. So now we can able to like separately do the GR for these two particular things. Okay, you know, after that what we can do. Okay, and once I'm going to click the GR here. Okay, you have to check which document. Okay, first let it complete. Okay, this is completed. Just copy this. Just copy this. Okay, then go to the VL33 okay, just go back. Put your inbound delivery number. This is the inbound delivery number. Just click enter. Wait 1 minute. It is not the one. This is the one. Okay, just click enter. See, by 5 quantities. Check the document flow. It is completed. Okay, and GR is also created. Okay, and if you check the MMBE screen, just refresh this. Okay, you will going to see 5 quantities. It should move to the ROD. Okay, I'll refresh this. Okay, 5 quantities move to the ROD. If you want to see the material movements, and you will going to see to 101 it is received. Okay, just now we have received 5 quantities. Correct, no? Any doubts here? But still, another 5 quantities we need to receive, right? Another 5 quantities because we have ordered for 10. Where is the another 5 quantities? It is with this delivery. Okay, this is the another delivery which is got created, right? With this delivery, I am getting another 5 quantities. Now I will say the goods receipt for this also. Where I have to check in the what is the ERPN? I have to take this document because another document is created for this. Okay, I will just go in the PL33 and paste this, click enter. See, here also you're going to see 5 quantities. If you see the document flow, one more GR is created for this and it is also completed. And if you check the MMB screen and refresh it, okay, it will be like 14 quantities. Where is that? Okay, 14 quantities available here. Any doubts here? How we are doing the inbound delivery for if the delivery is splitting, okay, delivery is splitting, this is how we're going to do the inbound delivery here, okay. Okay, next thing, second condition I am going to write, okay, second condition. Okay, here again vendor sent 10 quantities, okay, 10 quantities. Okay, all 10 quantities are coming in a truck one only. Okay, let us consider all 10 quantities are coming in a truck one only. In one truck, they are all coming. Okay. Now, what I am doing, I am seeing, okay, by visible things only, I can see that some 3 quantities are damaged. Out of 10, 3 quantity is damaged. Okay, 3 quantity is damaged. I want to reject this 3 quantity. Okay, I want to reject this 3 quantity, or else I don't want to take this 3 quantities inside my warehouse. Only I'm going to consider 7 quantities and I'm going to take only the 7 quantities. Okay. In that case, how I will going to do the what is that? How I can use the process codes? Okay, you may ask. Okay, that is the second condition. What we will do? We're going to quickly create one more. What is that? Inbound delivery notification. Then we're going to come over here. Okay, I'll just see the purchase order number. Okay, I'll just take purchase order number, copy it. Okay, go back and create /n VL31N. We have the purchase order number. Okay, just I will going to delete these 3 line items. Delete this. Okay, and now again I am going to do the inbound delivery for 10 quantities. Okay, 10 quantities, and save this. Okay, we have received one more shipping notification here. Okay, copy this. Okay, where we need to go for the shipping notification, I'll just come out of the screen. Okay, I'll just come out of the screen. Okay, here SAP menu. Within that, SCM EWM, extended warehouse management, delivery processing, inbound delivery, and this is the one. Okay, maintain inbound delivery notification. Just double click on this. Just put your inbound delivery notification here and execute. Okay, we are not doing anything here. Okay, we can skip the screen as well. Okay, if you want to see the notification, it is available like that. Okay, so I'll just go with the inbound delivery for this notification, which is asked for the 10 quantities. Here you can see 10 quantities we have asked for this. Okay, and now I'm going to use the process code for this. Okay, I'll just open the form view. Okay, and just use the process code. Now I'll be using the process code I001. Only what it is doing, see here, Y001 delivery differences. Only adjust the document. It will not going to adjust the quantity here. Okay, only adjust the document. It will not going to adjust the quantity. Okay, what I'll say means 3 quantities I don't want. I said okay, 3 quantities I don't want. I said I'll just say okay here. Okay, it is adjusted to see document successfully locked for the entry. Quantity of item 10 successfully changed. Okay, 10 to 7. Okay, activity was carried out successfully. The messages came. I'll say okay here. So it is converted to 7. I will just save this. I'll just save this. Okay. Now again, I will go back to the inbound delivery notification. Okay, this is my inbound delivery notification. Again, come back. Again, come to the inbound delivery. Oh, you can see only one document only here. Okay, and it is made for 7 quantities. You cannot see another document which is creating here because we are adjusting the document only. That is, there is no quantity adjustment is available here. Got the idea? Got the concept here? If it is the document and the quantity differences, one more document used to create here. But as you said, only the document adjustment, only one document you can see here. Okay, there is no other document. Any doubts? And if you check for the same thing in the VL33N, okay, and just go and check in the VL33N display, it is still showing the 10 quantities only. It will going to show the 10 quantities only because until and unless I do the goods receipt, it will show 10 quantities. But once I'm going to do the goods receipt, it will going to convert it to 7 only. Okay. Now what I'm doing, I just want to take 7 quantities only inside our warehouse. Okay, what I will do, I'll just click on this and I'll say the goods receipt. Goods receipt is happened for 7 quantities. Where what about the other 3 quantities? Other 3 quantities automatically will move back to the PO. Okay, they're going to adjust their quantity in the PO. Okay, I will now I'll go back and again enter. See, now you can able to see 7 quantities here. Got the idea? Okay, once only after the goods receipt you can able to see the changes in the inbound delivery, which is at the ERP end. Okay, so if you see the document flow also. Okay, if you see the document flow also, you can see it is completed for 7 quantities. Okay, This is completed for 7 quantities. Got the idea? Any doubts here?
So how about the rejection?
Yeah, rejection means we have to reject everything. Okay, we cannot means if, let us consider you want to reject what is that only 2 materials out of 10. Okay, 2 materials out of 10. Please tell me, you only tell me how we can able to do it.
Yeah, now click on process codes.
1 minute. No, we will going to create one more. Okay, or else I'm going to reverse this process. And okay, I'll just create one more inward delivery. Okay, so for that we're going to see that. Okay, next condition is next condition we'll write it here. Third condition. Condition 3. Here vendor is sending some 10 quantities. Okay, and if it is rejection, no, we have to reject all the things. Okay, we have to reject all the things. But now I want to reject only 2 quantities out of 10. Okay, I want to reject only 2 quantity out of 10. Okay, so this is the condition now. How we will going to do it? We'll check it. Okay, first you tell me, and later on I am going to do it. Okay, I'm going to create one more inbound delivery here. /n PL31N. Okay, for 10 quantities I'm going to raise it again here. See, it is earlier it should show 50, but the document is automatically adjusted here. It is showing 53. Okay, so that is what the differences is. Okay, so it is adjusted automatically over here. Okay, so now I'll just take 10 quantities for me. Click enter and save this. So the delivery got will going to get distributed. Okay, I have created 183. I will go back to the PR here. I'll again go back outside. Okay, and come with the IDN. Okay, if you check your 183 is there. Okay, you have to execute 183. You're going to find within this 183, I have ordered for 10 materials. Once I'll go to the inbound delivery, here we can use the process codes. Okay, here we can use the process codes. Okay, so yeah, now tell me, I want to reject only 2 quantities. Okay, how I can able to do that? Rejection, I want to reject that. Okay, means completely I want to reject that 2 quantities. Means how I can reject that? Okay, go to the document rejection. Yes, yeah, Dinesh, can you tell me this?
Yeah, now we have that I004. If we are completely rejecting, we can go with I004.
Okay.
Or else we can go with delivery difference adjustment, I guess.
This one?
Yeah.
Actually, that is not the case here. As we said, no, we can able to differentiate the quantity, correct? So first, what we have to do, we have to delivery difference is there, no, adjust quantity, document plus quantity, just click on this, okay? And I'll say -2 here, okay, -2. I'll going to differentiate the delivery. See how I'm going to differentiate in here. So first delivery it is created for 8 quantities, okay? If you are going back to the inbound delivery notification, and again, okay, first you want to save this. Yeah, it is going to save, okay. Okay, so and coming back to the inbound delivery, 2 documents will be generated for us. 2 documents will be generated for us. This is for 2 quantities. See here, this is for 2 quantities. Now just go to the process codes and reject this. That's it. Okay, go to the process code, reject, and you can put -2, enter, save. Once you're going to save, it will all is completed here already. Okay, everything is completed.
Okay, until unless we are not completing GR, we can do the process codes reversal over here.
Yes, you can do anything.
GR, we will not be able to do any processing on that.
Definitely, yeah. Once you okay, I will show that also. Correct. No. See, for this here it is for the 8 quantities. Okay, this is for the 8 quantities. I am going to go do the GR. Okay, goods if it is completed, it will show. It is completed. Now I'll try to do the process codes. Okay, I'll try to use the process codes on this with quantity adjustment. 1 double anything you can take. Okay, out of 8, I want to take means only 5 quantities. Okay, I'll just use the 3 -3. See, it is saying quantity adjustment by 3 not possible due to the confirmed quantity of 8 because I have already completed my GR. So we cannot use the process codes after the goods received. Okay, I will just put that also. We cannot use the process codes after the goods received. Okay, this is also one more important sentence here. So any doubts until this? Any doubts until this? Anyone?
Sri,
Yeah.
instead of, right now we have the process codes for one I001, I002, 3, right? So any possibilities if they are requesting, can we create new?
Yes, that is what means. Next, I am going to show that. But in this, any doubts until this?
No.
No doubts, right? Okay. Where these process codes are created? As you are asking the next question, okay? Where these process codes are created? We will going to check, okay? See, I have already shown you some what is that profiles, okay? We have shown you the profiles, okay? What is the profile? Slash SPRO IMG. Here go to the SAM EWM, extended warehouse management, okay? And in the goods receipt process, if you go to the delivery, inbound delivery, and here define document types for the inbound delivery. And what is ours? INB PDI. This one I have to take. INB PDI is our document, okay? So if you go inside, here process profile is one thing, okay, which you are going to get. This is the process profile. Now I want to change something within this, okay? What I will do, I'll just take the new screen, okay? SPRO IMG, where we will going to check that, okay? So that one I am showing, and where you can create n number of profile process codes, okay? Here go to the cross process settings. So please observe the what is the path? SPRO IMG, SAM EWM, extended warehouse management, same thing in the decentralized also, okay? Here cross process settings, go to the delivery warehouse request, delivery warehouse request. Under this, we're going to get the process code. Somewhere else we're going to get, yeah, process codes, it is available here. Just go to the process codes. Here, define process codes is one thing and maintain process codes is other thing. Okay. If you check the maintain process codes, okay, just I'm going to copy this, okay. Copy this and come back to the screen, and I'm going to say maintain process codes profile. Okay. So this is what the profile I'm going to use it at the inbound delivery side. This is the process code, right? PRD. Oh, not this one. Paste, enter. Oh, it is not available, but they are using this process code profile, but the process codes are available here. See, process code, where is that? Okay. Yeah, here process code. Define process code is there. No? Just click on this process codes. Here we can able to define n number of process codes. I001, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. They have created different process codes here. And see here, partner role. What is the partner role? For which partner role they are creating? SFPRT, I001. Okay, what is this? Delivery difference? Adjust quantity. Okay, adjust document. Sorry, adjust document only. Okay. Here, adjustment of the delivery quantity will be there. Only delivery quantity will be there. Just go back and check the I002. Here, check here. Adjust delivery quantity and delivery quantity transferred. Okay, you are adjusting the document as well as the quantity. This is what they have maintained here. Okay, only 3 things will be available. Okay, so that is what they have maintained here. And whether it is modifiable or not, we will going to give the tick mark here. And whether you want to modify the background or adjust the quantity to 0, everything we will going to mark it here. If I am going to create one more process code and I am saying whatever the materials, if I'm using this process code, let us consider some I008, okay. I'm using this process code means the adjust delivery quantity to 0. I can able to mark this. Once I'm going to mark this, if I'm using this process code, the delivery is going to get to 0 only. Okay, so that is how this will going to vary. Got the idea? Got the concept where we are defining our process code?
here roles also we need to define.
Partner roles. No. Partner roles we shouldn't define. It is already available, right?
No. Inside that partner role, can you go inside?
Yeah.
So here modifiable background adjust quantity to 0.
Yeah, we can do anything. We can play over here. Okay. So this is it. What about the partial goods receipt in the decentralized system? Okay, today we have just discussed about the decentralized system alone. Any doubts within the decentralized system? No doubts? Okay, perfect. So we're going to end the class here only because next topic is about the what is that warehouse monitor. If I'm we're taking the warehouse monitor, it may take another 30 minutes or at least 20 minutes we require. Okay. So we're going to club that in the next class. Okay. That warehouse monitor. Yeah.
See, but now
Yeah.
actually, if vendor is setting 10 quantities, and in one truck we have 5, another truck we have 5, but in that second truck, 3 quantities are damaged. Okay.
3 quantities are damaged here.
Yeah. So here we have to make 2 line item purchase order, right?
Definitely. Yeah. It is very easy. No, again, from here, what you will going to do? You will going to take within this. You will going to take what you will going to do for this truck. No, you will going to use and the again process code. Okay, what process code you are going to use here? I002. Correct? No.
Yeah.
And we will going to take only means 3 quantity damage, right? Yeah, we will going to take only 2 quantities. Okay, and other 3 quantities you can reject that. That's it.
Okay.
Yes.
Here we are using inbound delivery or inbound delivery notification?
No. Only at the inbound delivery only the process codes are possible. It is
and in embedded.
Yeah, embed as I said. Okay, embedded there is no inbound delivery notification only. Okay, I will just show the embedded. Okay, just a minute. We can clear that also. I'll just remove all these things. Okay. So I think everything is clear from the what is that decentralized system. I'm just removing everything. Okay, now I'll go to the embedded. We're going to okay. I'm going to check it in the embedded now. Okay. So in the embedded system, we're going to, okay, we have already created the, what is that? See, I'll just go with this, okay. Here, logistics, SCM, EWM. Within that, go to the delivery processing, inbound delivery. Here we have IDN, right? I'll just double click on this IDN. See, transaction or the program is not supported. It will show the this particular error for you. Only PIDI is possible. Inbound delivery is possible, not in the inbound delivery notification. Got this?
Yes. Actually, this process code we are not using in embedded.
No, we are using the process codes, right? Yesterday only I have shown you.
Yeah.
So in this, actually, there is I001 and I002 you are using. No, both will going to work in the similar fashion. And I have sent one blog also. I'll just open that blog. Okay, they have clearly given here. Okay. Yeah. We do not have the outbound delivery requests and inbound delivery notification, which means that process code 002 works as 001, means I002 works as I001 in the S4HANA. But in decentralized system, it will be different. Okay, we can take that.
Okay, got it.
Okay, so here you just again please go through this blog. Okay, the nice blog is there. Okay, whenever I'm getting some blogs, now I'm going to post you. Okay, but only wherever we're going to finish the class, that only I'm going to share it with you. Okay, if we are moving forward, then it is not at all useful for, right? So those particular blogs I'm not going to share. Whatever the class I'll be completing, and whenever I'm getting some blocks for that particular class, I'm going to share with you people. Okay, so it will be really helpful. Okay, in the future. Okay, just go through those blocks and try to do the activities. Okay, so that's it for today's class, and tomorrow, okay, we're going to consider the warehouse monitor, and we're going to check availability group. Okay, so you are also waiting for what is this availability group. As I said, we're going to discuss later like that. Okay, we're going to check that tomorrow. Okay, so any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, then I will stop recording. Okay.